Hello viewers, let's continue our LeetCode 75 series where we have solved 22 questions out of 75, and now we have to solve one more question of an hash map and set which is equal row and column pair. Okay, so in this question there is given a grid and you have to return the number of pair where the rows and columns are equal. Okay, so what do you mean by equal row and equal column? So you can, here is, let's understand with an example. Equal row and equal column means 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. This is a grid. Okay, you just have to check if they are equal or not. So what is this? Here is this column and this row is equal. Okay, so you just have to return the pair. How many pair are there? Only one. So you just have to return only one. Okay, you have to return one. In the same way, there is given an example 3 1 2 2. Let's write it 3 1 2 2 1 1 4 4 5 2 4 4 2 2 4 4 2 and again 2 4 2 4. It's 2 2, not 4. You just have to check. So how many pairs are there? The first pair is 1 and 2. 1. The first pair is this in a green circle, and the second pair is this. Okay, and the third pair is 2 4 1 4 4 5. I guess 0 0. Yeah, 2 2. Okay, again there is this pair and this pair. So you just have to return 3. The 3 pair whose rows and column are equal. So you just have to return 3. So how can you do this? Uh, I will I will first convert it into the string. Let's do this first. First you have to create an ordered map string comma int comma m. Okay, first you have to create, and then you just have to traverse for auto element and then grid. You just have to check, and then m of string build element plus plus int answer equals to 0 for int j equals to 0 and j should be grid of 0 dot size, and then j plus plus. You have to create a string result, and again for a for loop for int I equals to 0, I less than grid dot size, and then I plus plus. You just have to do result plus equals to string grid of I comma j, and then you just have to do result plus equals to hash, and then answer plus equals to m of result return answer. This is the function that I need to make it. This will convert the int into string. So string build vector comma int row, and then string result equals to for auto s comma row, and then you just have to do result plus equals to string s, and then result plus equals to hash. Okay, you just have to do it, and after this you just have to return result. I hope this code works fine. Let's run this code. Yeah, this code has been accepted. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.